Hi guys, welcome to our kitchen. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make lentil soup.
It's a very simple recipe and takes less than 5 minutes to prepare the ingredients. It tastes delicious and you're gonna love it. Let's go ahead and show you how we make it.
Our lentil soup is high in protein. In order to make the soup, we will be using an 8-quart size instant pot. We will have a link in the description to where you can buy one.
First, we will start by rinsing out 2 cups of lentils, then put into the instant pot. Add 1 jar of marinara sauce, 1 pound of frozen vegetable mix,
6 tablespoons of farro, cut celery, cut some peppers as well and put them into the pot.
add water or vegetable stock. One tablespoon of Italian seasoning, half teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin and coriander mix. Add salt to your taste. 2 tablespoons of mixed dry herbs. Mix everything together and then cover the lid.
Pressure cook for 20 minutes. After the beep, release the pressure and open the lid. Add 2 cups of spinach. Four chopped garlic cloves, cover the lid and let it sit for another 5 minutes. While we wait, chop some green onion, parsley, and cilantro. Now we are almost ready. If you would like, add non-dairy yogurt to the soup. Then, top it off with your greens and it's ready to serve. This soup is very quick to make, tastes delicious, and is packed with protein. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see many more just like this one, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.